holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere.
We are Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. We are full-time RVers from New Jersey and are currently exploring the West Coast. In this series, we will be experiencing the Christmas season from Vancouver to California.
We will also be sharing some of our Christmas traditions and making some new ones along the way. We hope you can join us on a quest to see everything the West Coast has to offer this time of year. We will return to our regular content in January.
So today we are at the Fairmount and we are going to walk through a gingerbread house. That's how big the gingerbread house is. It's definitely going to be cool. We'll show you.
They actually start baking these bricks in July to build this house, and it's all assembled by hand, and these are real gingerbread bricks. This is amazing. They give you a sample so you can try the flavor of their cookies. Really cool.
Really tasty. What do we get?
Vegetable lo mein, or I'm sorry, vegetable chow mein, and I got some dumplings. I got deep fried wontons and I got pork dumplings.
Chinatown in San Francisco. When we were at the fortune cookies factory, we bought a little bag of fortune cookies, and I've had these flavored ones before in Philly, and we also got to watch them make the fortune cookies, so that was pretty cool. But I'm gonna have one and see what my fortune is. I'll do a pink one. Oh, I probably do my glasses on. Okay, that's in Chinese. You are about to receive a big compliment. Hopefully it's on YouTube.
You look beautiful today, honey.
That doesn't count. What did yours say?
I got the green fortune cookies, which are like a green tea flavor. Super good. And mine says you will soon receive an unusual gift.
Whoa!
Maybe it's a fortune cookie.
We're not near anybody to give us a gift, so.
We are here at the San Francisco Cable Car Museum, and they're going to show us the mechanics of cable cars, which go up these hills. It's a big deal. Cable car in San Francisco.
We don't have to walk up this hill, so that's what I'm thankful for.
This hill is crazy to walk up. We did it once, and once is enough.
Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating round the tree in Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe.
So we are here at a pop-up bar, and it's pricey. It costs $10 just to get in, each of us.
San Francisco, so everything's pricey.
Yeah, and then we bought, I bought an old fashioned. They're all $18 every drink here, and then Joe just got a beer, so that was only $10. But it's a cool place. It's really, 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 really decorated, and they do special glasses. I got the Hanukkah one, so I guess for Israel, this is for you guys.
I got the IPA one.
Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? Waterfall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all.
This is the view from atop the gun battery, the old gun battery here. She says this is the best part of San Francisco, and I kind of agree.
We loved seeing San Francisco lit up for Christmas and really loved watching the sunrise over the Golden Gate Bridge. Join us next time as we tour our new favorite mansion for their Victorian Christmas.
We're having so much fun on the West Coast during the Christmas season,
and would love for you to subscribe to our channel to see more amazing events. See you next time.